dad watches me walk to the garage with this small smile, like he's won something important by isolating me further from any chance of outside help. That night, I lie awake on the yoga mat, the cold seeping through the thin material and into my back. Around 2 a.m., I hear coughing coming from the backyard, wet and painful. Probably Yasmin in the shed struggling to breathe. Then there's this metallic banging sound, like someone shifting around trying to find a position that doesn't hurt. I press my ear against the garage wall, but I can't tell if it's Mom in the pit or just the shed settling in the cold. Next door, our neighbor Fergus stands at his fence in his bathrobe, listening to the sounds of suffering coming from our property. He's an older man who lives alone and keeps odd hours, and I've seen him out in his yard late at night before. The coughing gets worse for a few minutes, then quieter, then starts again. The banging continues on and off, irregular and desperate. Fergus stands there for almost 10 minutes just listening, his face troubled in the darkness. I can see him through the small garage window, his silhouette against his porch light. He finally goes back inside, but he keeps looking back at our yard, like he knows something is wrong, but doesn't know what to do about it.